Hey, welcome back to Old Rascal Garage. I hadn't been on here in a while. Been getting rain every other day, and it's been like 140 hails out here in Alabama. But I was going to show you my newest project I'm working on, my 1996 OBS Ford F-150. Used to be my granddad's, and then got handed down to my uncle after my granddad passed away, and I got it from my uncle. He's been battling some health issues, so it's been setting up for a while, but it's a good truck. It's got 144,000 miles on it, I think, actual miles. Good solid truck. Been, like I say, been setting up for a while. Got a few little things I got to fix on it, and but nothing major. Good looking truck. I'm gonna take y'all around, take a look at it. Come on. Like I said, this is a 96 model. 8 of 95, so I guess it makes it a 96. What it says on the title. Been sitting up for a while. I've had it running, making a little bit of noise under the hood. I think it's sounds like a water pump or something rattling on it. Got good oil. I mean, it got oil on the stick, but the oil pressure gauge is not working, so I'm thinking it may be a sensor or something on it. Oil pressure and water temperature gauge is not working, so probably gonna have to replace the sensor and probably a water pump. But it's original, like my granddad got it. Like I say, it's been sitting up. I need to get it out from under these trees and clean it up. Hadn't got no rust or anything on it. Just faded a little bit from the sun. Good old truck. I'm gonna see if I can get it cleaned up and fix a few little things that need to be done to it. I know it's got a cracked windshield on it. Fuel tank truck, 5.0 fuel injection. I guess that'd be the 302, I guess. Truck was well taken care of by my granddad and my uncle. Like I say, it's got the dual tanks. Me and my dad, other old rascal over there, me and him replaced the front tank. I think the rear needs to be replaced too. Fuel pump was bad in both of them, but we replaced the front fuel pump and cleaned that tank out. We got to do the rear, so we're running off the front right now. But like I say, it's got 144,000 on it. Electric seat and power windows, power door locks. Interior's in great shape. For it being as old as it is, got a crack in the dash over there, but that's probably from sun setting up. I pulled the old headliner down. It was sagging so bad, so I need to replace that. Just needs to be cleaned up real good. The seat ain't in too bad a shape. A little bit of wear there. You can tell the pedals look good on it. Old Ford floor mat. Pretty nice old solid truck. I'd say the windshield's got a crack in it. Cassette player. Got no Alabama and Alan Jackson cassette tapes. Need to get them going. They didn't smoke in it. Clean as a pin there. Got the old 4-way. Got a couple of CBs from my uncle. He was a truck driver for over 40 years. I got a couple of CBs in there. We're gonna see if we can hook up. Let me show you the mileage on it. Like I say, it's dual tanks, tilt wheel, cruise. $144,201. I stuck a battery in her and she fired right up. I gotta get it cleaned up, get out from under these damn trees. Gonna mess it up more than it is. Yeah, a little rattling I hear. I think it sounds like a water pump. Got a bunch of junk in there I need to clean out. Still had the owner's manual in it too. I think I took it out. Radio's not working. I gotta figure out what that is. Maybe some fuses. Since the gauges ain't working, the radio's not working. Maybe some fuses going bad in it. I noticed too the headlights ain't working. Need to figure that out. Old truck sound pretty good. Well, that's kind of a quick walk around old 96 OBS Ford there. Come on, hang out with us. We almost got We almost got 100 subscribers. I think we got 90. Come on, man. I need 10 more people to subscribe to our little channel. Help us reach our goal. We've been trying to get to 100 here for the last 3 months. I apologize. I didn't get a video out here the last couple of weeks. But like I say, it's been raining about every other day. And when it is sun shining, it's 110 damn degrees out here. You're having to stay on the grass every 5 minutes. Me and my dad both over at the old rascal shop. Been too hot to get out there and try to get anything done on the old 41 or on the old wrecker. But subscribe to our channel and come follow along with us. We got some projects going on. We just get a little break in this heat so we can get out there and deal with it. I'm almost 60. My dad, he's dang near 80. We have to watch that heat. It'll get to you. You turn the fans on, you got to have 5 fans running in the damn shop so you can breathe or try to breathe. But then it makes the audio terrible. You can't hear nothing. But we're going to pull the old Novas out from under the shed, I think, and get the old square body wrecker we got. Get it out there and start getting it sanded down. I think we're going to try to put some paint on it here for long. We got a new dash coming for it. Making a little progress on the 41, like I say, when we can. You know, do what we can, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna do a little work on this truck, so come back and subscribe to the channel and join us. Leave us a comment or something about the old truck. See what you think. We're gonna see if we can get the oil pressure and the water temp gauge to work. Like I said, probably a sensor or fuse or something, and get the old headlights going. We'll get her cleaned up. Slap a windshield in her. We'll have some tires on it. Probably don't need some brakes for long. See if we can get something going on it. We use it as a good parts truck. Run around in it. Yep. But like I say, we're just trying to get something going here under the hood, in the hood. You know what I mean? Appreciate you coming back to the channel. If you've been here before, if it's your first time, hey, we're glad to have you. Come hang out with us, man. Appreciate you watching.